Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in TickTick. If you want to protect your TickTick account from hackers, turning on two-factor authentication or 2FA adds an extra layer of security, so even if someone gets your password, they still can't log in. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable 2FA in TickTick step by step. So first, open the TickTick app on your phone or go to the TickTick website on your browser. So tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. So this will open up a menu, and in here tap on settings. Now at the left side, you'll have a lot of options, but tap on account at the top. Now inside the account settings, look for two-step verification or 2FA. Then tap or click on it to start the setup. So tap on setting right here beside the 2FA verification. So TickTick recently added this feature, so make sure your app is updated if you don't see it. Now turn it on. So to turn this on, tap on enable. Now once you tap on enable, you may need to verify your identity first, like enter your password or code, then choose how you want to receive your codes, either Google Authenticator or email verification, then follow the instructions shown on your screen. Now enter the verification code you receive and confirm the setup. And once done, 2FA will be active in your account. And from now on, every login will require a second code, not just your password. So 2FA makes your account much safer because even if someone steals your password, they still need your phone or authentication app to access your account. Now, once you enable the two-step verification successfully, you can use these backup codes if you encounter login issues, and be sure to download and store the backup code securely. So just click on download to download it to your computer, and you can rename it and make sure you save it on your computer. And once done, click on got it, and you've successfully secured your TickTick account with 2FA. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.